Trigonometrical ratios of complementary angles. Clear? Complementary angles means the two angles whose sum is 90 degree. Okay. So here we talk about the right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degree and the rest two angles is acute angles whose sum is 90 degree. इनका sum क्या होगा? 90 degree होगा. So obviously if we let angle A, let the angle A is theta, then angle C is 90 minus theta, because they both are angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degree, because they both are complementary angles. Okay, so the sum of these two angles will be 90 degree. That's why if we let angle A is theta, then angle C equal to 90 minus theta. Clear, friends? So this is the what we have considered here. Now, after considering it, sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. How it comes? Let's see. Sin 90 minus theta means angle C. For sin 90 minus theta, perpendicular is AB and hypo is AC. AB upon AC. And C, sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. It means cos theta. Let's see cos theta. For cos theta, base upon hypo, so base is AB and hypo is AC. That's why sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. It means sin 90 minus theta is equal to its complementary angle in cos theta. Clear? Similarly, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin 90 sin theta. Okay. So what it comes? It comes sin cos 90 minus theta. So sin theta is equal to sin theta. Sin theta means perpendicular upon hypo. So perpendicular is BC and hypo is AC. BC upon AC. Similarly, cot theta for cot, for this angle theta, cot will be base upon perpendicular. So base upon perpendicular means for this theta angle base is AB and perpendicular is BC. AB upon BC. For tan theta, BC upon AB. For cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. It means AC upon BC. And for sec theta is AC upon AB. Clear, students? Now, so this is the relation we have to remember in your mind. Okay, so you have to remember it. This is an important thing. What relation? Sin 90 minus theta cos theta, cos 90 minus theta sin theta, tan 90 minus theta cot theta. इसको याद रखने का ट्रिक ये है, sin, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. Okay, sin 90 minus theta cos theta and cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta cot theta and cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Same, sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta and cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. Clear, students? Now we move to the exercise. Let's see the questions based on complementary angles, T ratios of complementary angles. Let's see the exercise 20C. The first question is, without using tables, without using trigonometric tables, evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. So let's see. The first one is sin 27 degree upon cos 63 degree. Sin 27 degree, it means sin 27, we can write 27 in place of 27, 90 minus 63, 90 minus 63 कितना आएगा 27, so we can write in place of 27, 27 की जगह हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं 90 minus 63, देखिए अगर 90 में से 63 को माइनस करते हैं तो क्या जाएगा 27 ही तो आएगा, so we can write sin 90 minus 63 in place of 27. Now sin 90 minus 63 upon cos 63. Now sin 90 minus theta cos theta, it means cos 63 degree, because in this now in this complementary angle 90 minus theta, theta is 63, so using complementary relation sin 90 minus theta is cos theta upon cos 63. So when we divide it, answer is 1. Okay, students? So answer is 1. Now rest of this question, you can do it yourself. Now I am going to tell you the second one. First part of the second question. In this question, sin 72 degree upon cos 18, sin 72 degree upon cos 18 minus sec 32 upon cos 58 degree. Cos 58 degree. Okay, student. So as we know, in place of sin 72 degree, we can write sin 90 minus 18. Okay, in place of 72 degree, we can write 90 minus 18 upon cos 18 minus sec 32 degree. In place of 32 degree, we can write sin sec 90 minus 58 degree upon cosec 58 degree. So sin 90 minus 18, sin 90 minus theta cos theta, so it comes in place here. यहाँ पे थीटा क्या है 18 डिग्री है, so cos 18 upon cos 18, डिनोमिनेटर में cos 18 पहले से लिखा है, माइनस sec 90 minus 58 degree, it means sec 90 minus theta cos theta, so it comes cosec 58 upon cosec 58, so divisible, it is also divided, so it comes 1 minus 1, answer is 0. Clear, friends? So this is the method solving question number 1 and 2. Now let's see some more questions based on complementary angles. Okay. Now let's see the question number 5th. Okay. See the question number 5th. Now let's see the question number 5th. In question number 5th, 3 cos 18 cosec 10 degree plus 2 cos 59 cosec 31 is given. Now in place of cos 80 degree, in place of 80 degree we can write 90 minus 10, 3 cos 90 minus 10 into cosec 10 degree plus 2 cos 59 cosec 31. In place of 31 we can write 90 minus 59. Okay, because 90 minus 59 करने पे क्या आएगा 31, so we can write इस 31 को हम लोग किससे रिप्लेस कर देंगे, we can replace it by 90 minus 59. Now let's see cos 90 minus theta sin theta, so it comes sin 10 degree into cosec 10 plus 2 cos 59 into cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta, it means sec 59. Now, as we know the reciprocal relation, we use here reciprocal relation sin 10 degree, sin 10 1 upon cosec 10. Okay. I had told it to you in earlier exercise that reciprocal relation. What is reciprocal relation? Sin theta is reciprocal of cosec theta. Okay, sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. Same, cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta, and rest will be like this. Okay, so 3 sin 10, in case of sin 10 we write 1 upon cosec theta into cosec 10 plus 2 cos, in place of cos 59 we can write 1 upon sec 59 using reciprocal relation sec 59. So sec 59 sec 59 divided, it is also divided. Now 3 ones are 3 and here it is 2. So 3 plus 2, answer is 5. So this is your answer. Okay students, so this is the question number 5th. Now we see the question number 7th. Now let's see the question number 7, first part of the 7, in which sin 29 degree 31 minute upon cos 60 degree 29 minutes. Now, how to replace this angle? Let's see. Sin 29 degree 31 minute upon cos 60 degree 29 minutes. So here I am going to replace cos 60 degree 29 minutes. So we can write it cos 90 minus 29 degree 31 minutes. How it comes? Let's see. Because there is in 1 degree there is 60 minutes. So when we subtract 90 degree and 0 minutes, when we subtract 29 degree and 31 minutes from 90 degree 0 minutes, so how to subtract? We borrow 1 degree. 1 degree means 60 minutes. From 60 minus 31 and here is 89 because 1 is borrowed. So here is 89 and 60 minus 31 it comes 29 and 80 minus 29 it comes 60. Okay. So in place of 60 degree 29 minutes we can write 90 minus 29 degree 31 minutes. So it comes, and we know that by the complementary angles that cos 90 minus theta sin theta. So it comes 1. Answer is 1. Now let's see the next question, 10th number. Now let's see the question number 10, first part of 10. Now that kind of questions you have to do by using these two relations. First is square relation and the second one is complementary angle ratios. Okay. What is square relation? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And using sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta and cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Now let's see this question. In cos square 34 degree we can write it cos square. In place of 34 degree we can write 90 minus 56 plus cos square 56 upon sin square 59 degree, and in place of cos square 31 we can write 90 minus 59. 90 minus 59 because 90 minus 59 करने पे कितना आएगा 31. So we can replace 31 by 90 minus 59. Same as above 34. In place of 34 we have write 90 minus 56. So now here we use complementary angles sin 90 minus theta cos theta and cos 90 minus theta sin theta. So cos 90 minus theta, here is cos 90 minus theta, so it comes sin theta. It means sin square 56 degree plus cos square 56 degree upon sin square 59 degree and plus cos square 90 minus theta means cos square 90 minus theta sin theta. So it comes sin square 59. So cos square 31, cos square 31, and so it comes cos square 34 degree plus cos square 56 degree. So in place of 34 degree we have write 90 minus 56. So it comes cos 90 minus theta sin theta. Sin square 56 आ जाएगा, sin square 56 plus cos square 56, and in denominator sin square 59. So in place of cos square 31 we write cos square 59. Sin square 59. Okay. Now see sin square 56 plus cos square 56 sin theta square theta plus cos square theta comes 1 upon sin square 59 and plus sin square. Wait a minute, let me see. So the students, there is some mistake. Cos square 34 degree plus cos square 56 degree upon sin square 59 plus sin square 31. So sin square 31 is here. That means it comes sin square 90 minus 59. So it comes cos square 59. Okay, students, cos square 59. So now we use square relation. Square relation is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now using this square relation, see it is sin square theta plus cos square theta, so it comes 1 upon. In denominator it is also sin square theta plus cos square theta. 1 upon 1. Answer is 1. So students, in homework you have to do the exercise 20C till question number 10. Thank you.